trying the stuff I got from the gas station. Jolly Ranchers hard candy. I'm gonna choose one. Yeah. Cherry, no cherry. I want watermelon. Let's try. First, let's try the bottle pop. Bottle pop. Let's dip it in here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh god, it didn't work.
Kain ka na ba?
Okay. I dipped it. I'm kind of sour. I like it though. Let's try the Jolly Rancher snack. Okay, let's try it. 10 out of 10.